yesterday, OpenAI launched Canvas, a new way of working with ChatGPT that is aimed at anyone that is writing, so to be a more collaborative way of writing a document, or anyone that's writing code, so that you can engage in more discussion with the code that you're writing. And I want to give you a very quick view of how that works in a go-to-market type context that you might be able to understand. So the first thing, I have created a prompt which is about designing an industry point of view. So this is just following normal prompting. I'd like your help to create an industry point of view document for our sellers to use as they prospect into their accounts. And I'd like for you to use Canvas to help us to work on it together. So I won't go into the rest of the details of the prompt, but it's just to help guide. So if I just copy that. Now, when you're in ChatGPT, if you are on a paid account, you'll now see a new model option. You might be using 4o for most of your tasks at the moment. You're now going to see 4o with Canvas to be able to collaborate on writing and code. So choosing that model, and then I'm just going to copy in our prompt. And now you can see a slightly different UI here. So in the middle here is where is your canvas, which is where the document is going to get created. And our chat is down on the side here. So let me know which industry we're diving into, and I'll get started on building out the details. So I am going to say I want to focus on the mining industry. And then following my prompt saying, let me know if there's a particular focus you'd like for the mining industry, and I'll start drafting it. I'd like to focus on the transition from carbon-based products like coal to an electric future with copper, lithium, and cobalt mining. I've updated the focus to highlight on these. Let me know if there's anything else specific you'd like to explore. Nothing else. Please draft the document. Okay, so now the canvas is pulling together my mining industry point of view following the prompt that I have asked. So we can see we've got an industry title, industry description, key players. Okay, nothing much too different as of yet. I've created a prompt, but what you'll start to see is that here we've got some placeholders, and this is where you can start working with your content. So here I'm going to highlight that. And I'm going to say, ask ChatGPT, please add in a case study for Anglo-American and one for Glencore, and ask me to fill in the details. Okay, and please draft an example as a placeholder. And there we go, we've got a nice placeholder there. Here we've got some opening lines that we might use with the mining industry pivoting towards critical materials, critical minerals. So here I'm going to say, please start with when I speak with CFOs at mining companies. And so you can see how you're starting to work with this. Now you might say, well, hang on, I could just be in Google Docs or Word and I could have written that. Where this comes in is using AI to make things longer, shorter, to simplify. So if I go here and say, please expand on this, that industry description is now got a lot more detail. Or the reverse, please simplify this. And we're now going to get that a lot shorter. So you can see how using AI to change the way that you are collaborating and creating documents can be super helpful. Hope that's useful. If you've got a paid account, test it out, ChatGPT-4o with Canvas, and start using AI to work on your documents.